Life is better on Saturn. Hello, and thanks for tuning in to Between the Keys. I'm going to teach you how to play Saturn by SZA, which I'm going to pronounce as Sa, because I don't know how you say it, and I don't know who it is. But I just listened to it for the first time, and it's quite nice. A lot of major sevens, some minor sevens, some dominant seven. The chords you're going to need are C sharp major 7, C sharp major 7 sus2 or C major 9, D sharp minor 7, A sharp or B flat minor 7, and G sharp dominant 7. If you don't know what any of that means, don't worry, I'm going to show you now. If there's another universe, please make some noise. That's the first line. Let's do an intro first though. Here's C sharp major 7. That's C sharp, and that's the 7. The major 7. If it was dominant 7, which it isn't, but if it was, it would be that one. That's your bluesy chord. But major 7. And when you have the 2, it's also known as the 9. 1, 2, or 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can have the major 7 and the 9, which is like playing F sharp minor 7, if you look at it like that, but with a D flat in the bass. That's C sharp major 7 add 2. It actually says sus2, which means something slightly different. It means you don't have the third. So maybe you'd play with the 4, or just take out the 3 and the 4. Sound. If there's another universe, please make some noise. Okay. I think I prefer if there's another universe, and just that one as the sus2. And then D sharp minor 7. Give me a sign, this can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, sorry. Then we go up to A sharp minor 7, which is this one. Repeating pain, why? Then D sharp minor 7. It's all the same. G sharp dominant 7. I hate this place. Then we go to the pre-chorus. Stuck in this paradigm. And then you got C sharp with the sus2. Don't believe in paradise. D sharp, upper tone, minor 7. This must be what hell is like. There's gotta be more, got to be more. D flat or C sharp major 7. Sick of this head of mine with the sus2. Intrusive thoughts, they paralyze. Actually, maybe that one is nicer. D sharp minor 7. Nirvana's not as advertised. There's got to be more, been here before. Okay, chorus. There's a lot of oohs in the chorus. There's your C sharp major 7 again. Here's your with the 2. Ooh, life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern of floating away. C sharp major 7 again. Ooh, with the 9. Oh, D sharp minor 7. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. This is the post-chorus again. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. G sharp 7, dominant 7. Verse 2. If karma's really real, how am I still here? D sharp minor 7. Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I'll give it all I could. C sharp major 7 again. Stuck in this terradome. This is the post-chorus, pre-chorus, sorry, with the sus2. All I see is terrible. D sharp upper tone, minor 7. Don't forget minor. There's your minor, there's your 7. Making us hysterical, there's got to be more, got to be more. C sharp major 7, sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts, they paralyze. Nirvana can't be as advertised. Nirvana's not as advertised. There's got to be more, got to be more. Been here before. Ooh, we got the oohs again. And then the major sus2. Life's better on Saturn. Gotta break this pattern of floating away. Okay, C major 7. Blues. This has got to be something worth saving. It's all for the taking, I always say. Post chorus. It'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Outro. Ooze. Thank you, as always, for watching Between the Keys. If you like this video and it helps you learn the song, then don't forget to click like and click subscribe if you want to see more. One more thing, if you have any requests for other songs that you want to learn, then just put them in the comments and I might take a look. I will take a look and I will probably, possibly, most likely help you out, teach you the song. And see you in the next one. Stay tuned, because I'm working my way through the whole of the top 40. See you next time.